how to send USDT TRC20 on Moonpay. To send USDT TRC20 on Moonpay, you have to first of all launch Moonpay application. Then go to the Send tab from the top of the screen. So here you can see Buy, Sell and Send. We want to select Send. And if you have TRC20, you have to simply select that particular cryptocurrency. Then you have to enter the amount that you wish to send and tap on Send option. Then depending upon the destination wallet or platform, you have to copy the wallet address from those platforms to where you want to send it and come back to Moonpay and paste the destination wallet address over there. And after you've done that, you can confirm the transaction and you will be able to send USDT TRC20 on Moonpay. That is it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.